Good morning. Here is the Sanibel Police Blotter, dated July 18th, 2023. On July 14th, a traffic stop was initiated on a vehicle for excessive speed. The driver was issued a citation for unlawful speed and was arrested for knowingly driving with a suspended license. The suspect is an Immokalee, Florida resident. He was released on a cash bond of $500. Side note, the report did not list his speed, but typically in Florida, a driver has to be going over 50 miles per hour past the posted speed limit, so that means he was most likely going over 80 miles per hour. On July 16th, a traffic stop was initiated on a vehicle due to the license plate showing as stolen. The plate was confirmed stolen, and post Miranda, the driver admitted to stealing the license plate and placing it on his unregistered vehicle. The driver was arrested for possession of the stolen license plate and for attaching a license plate to a vehicle not assigned. The suspect is a Eloy, Arizona resident. Cash bond for possession of stolen property was $10,000. Cash bond for non-moving traffic violation was $2,500. He has not been able to make bond yet, so he is still in jail. Other enforcement actions for the week. Just in case you don't remember, NTA stands for Notice to Appear. An NTA is a criminal citation issued in lieu of a physical arrest. The recipient of an NTA is required to appear in a designated court at a specific date and time. On July 14th, a traffic stop was initiated on a vehicle for excessive speed. The driver was issued an NTA for unlawful speed. The driver was going 70 miles per hour in a 35 mile per hour zone. On July 15th, a traffic stop was initiated on a vehicle for excessive speed. The driver was issued an NTA for never having a driver's license issued, and the vehicle was towed for not being registered. On July 16th, a traffic stop was initiated on a vehicle for running a stop sign. The driver was issued an NTA for driving with a suspended license and a citation for running the stop sign. Other enforcement operation statistics for the week of July 11th through July 17th. There were 12 alarm calls, business and residential. There were 48 911 non-emergency calls. There was 0 traffic crashes, 55 radar details, 34 traffic stops. Within those stops, 18 citations were issued and 1 written warning issued. There were 2 field interviews, 617 residential area checks, 199 business area checks, 1,310 total area checks, 2 reported burglaries, 0 reported thefts, and 1,565 total CAD calls. Thanks for listening.